Okay, we're a little crabby. Mommy left the room because if we left her in here, she would eat this. So let's see who figures it out first. Is it Ember?
Ember.
It's gonna be Ember and Dewey.
No, it's Dewey. Dewey's got it.
Yes, he does. Good job, Dewey. Good job, buddy. Brian, can you hand him to me? Please, thank you.
Truman, or I don't know his name, but Truman's standing in it.
It's Amicus. You want to try it too, Missy? You want to try it? Here. Want to try it? Yeah. There it is. What do you think? She's trying to nurse on Amicus. She thinks it's on Amicus.
You're standing in it there, Scarlett.
She'll get there.
Look, well, her collar's all messed up.
Oh, baby. Here, can you fix her collar for me, please? Thank you, Grandpa.
What you doing with your collar all messed up, huh?
Bailey, you're just sitting in it, bud. My goodness. What do you think, little boy? Holy mackerel, you've got a full belly.
Right there.
Yes.
You go. Here you go,
Yes.
Scarlett. You got it.
Good job, Scarlett. Good job.
Cups there. Woody's got it all over him. So does Ember.
Amber.
Everybody's, yep.
She's belly deep in it.
Let's just knock him in there. But that's not Woody. Woody is the orange, huh?
Yeah. Woody's right there.
What's the green one?
Oh, that's Cooper. Or no, that's Lincoln.
Lincoln has it all over him.
Oh, yep, he sure does. Sorry, I was looking here at Cooper.
Jake.
Where you going, Lincoln? Huh, Duke? What'd you think? Did you get any? Did you even try it?
Oh, yep. Baby Blue's just gonna swim in it and lick Dewey.
What do you think of that? Huh, buddy? Yeah, right there. There you go. Yeah.
Looking for your spot, aren't you?
Yep. Lincoln's looking for his spot.
So is
Hi, Dewey.
He's gonna be
Okay,
on your
but
foot.
you cannot crawl up on me today. You are full of food.
He's on your.
Oh, he is gonna.
Yes. Well,
Thanks,
time to get your attention.
Bailey. You backed up and pooped on me. You little monster child.
That's what he thinks of you, Grandma.
Well, Dewey was up here keeping me occupied.
Do it. They were partnered. Their partnership there. I'm gonna distract her. You back up there and get her.
Well, I needed a new pair of shoes anyway.
We'll have put
Wow.
a backup alarm on you.
Can you get me another one so I can clean the floor here before he gets all over in it? Thank you so much. Okay, and now, oh, Heine, here, Brian. Okay, Heine girl, sweet Ember, you are. Okay, it's time to let Penny back in. She will come in and clean them, and she'll clean up their food. Yeah, you want to go get her, please?
He's got the phone.
Before I end up covered in puppy food.
He's got the phone.
Now we're ready for milk, they say. And they're gonna get really shaky, and they're gonna sit in here and they're gonna scream. Dude, you are so full. Hi, Papa. Hi, Penny Pal. No, dude. Oh my goodness. Amicus. You are covered, little man.
I'm gonna turn this on.
Ember, you too. Okay, I'm getting out because they are covering me in it. Yeah, definitely put the AC on.
What?
Can I have that? Oh, we just got notice that Mercy is getting changed to Belle. I love that.
Bell, another bell.
Yes, we got another Belle.
Clean them up. Good girl.
She's gonna clean the babies. Okay, I'm getting out though. I'm gonna pull the pan out so they can't gorge.
Yeah.
All right, little Cooper. I know you really loved it, didn't you?
Want to use that in there? Just give this a
Yeah. Well, we can let her clean it off, and then, cause we'll put warm in for the other puppies again then. My goodness, you kids, you got me all full of puppy food everywhere on my legs and in my shoes. Is it a puppies? Oh, thanks. Well,
Oh, we need to clean first.
I kind of want to let them, yeah.
Let them have
They're gonna
that,
crawl
so
around
it's
and
easy to
poop.
clean, huh?
Yep, they're gonna poop a lot.
Less laundry.
Well, I was just gonna kind of wait it out because it happens pretty fast, see? Yeah.
Step in it. Yep.
Yep. No. No.
No, he says,
Get out of that. Yucky poo. Yucky. Can you open that, please? Thank you.
So nice.
Oh, yeah. Yep. And now they have lots of energy.
Oh, there goes Scarlet. Nope, she just turning around. She's just turning around on her haunches. Uh-oh.
No, don't poop on my scales.
Jake's gonna poop on the scales.
Don't poop on my scales, please. Those are expensive, you little monster.
Yes.
Yeah, Cooper, here.
Good girl, Penny. Clean it up some more. Better clean your babies.
Yeah, I'm gonna crawl out so that they don't want me to feed them. All right, I'm gonna go and get the Swiffer and we're gonna clean up after him real quick and then we'll give him a fresh pad to lay down and then we'll go take care of Susie. She got all cleaned up, didn't she? She looks like she's had a full-on bath. No shakes and shivers in here, huh? Her puppies might be bigger, but they really react a lot to their food changes, don't they? Yours are pretty rock steady. Yeah, which is not like you at all. Would you like out?
They're like passed out. I turned it down to low cool, not high.
Good.
Low cool. Let me turn that. I'll turn this down to 5.5 there.
Yeah, sounds good. Jakey's home.
Yeah. They've been out there for a while.
Aw. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed their first puppy food day. Hi, Bailey. Here we go. We don't even know, do we? No! Okay. Good job. You kids. That's not where you get it. It's not on the metal. It's down inside. See? You see? Honey? Oh, yeah. Really? You were giving it right back, weren't you? Weren't you? Yes. Try it. What do you think? Ruff! You watch how you talk to me, little missy. You better watch how you talk. Yes. Yeah, see? I told you would like what I had for you. There you go. There you go. Come on, little miss. Yeah, your mommy's keeping you kids so fat and sassy you don't even think twice about it, huh?
Yeah, this one just says, you know what I think about that?
Yeah, I see. That's what she thinks.
Rossi. Uh-oh.
What?
She's gonna be like, Mom, look at her, she's cleaning herself.
Susie's her mom, you know.
Oh, wow. Your aunt.
Okay.
Yeah, I forgot. Your aunt.
Like, she's not
Taking-
Penny's baby,
Taking
Brian.
after your aunt. Both aunts.
Yeah.
Your mama's just dirty.
But she keeps clean puppies. Could you go get the wipes from the other bedroom, please? I think we're almost out of wipes. I'll have Amy grab some more. She's in town.
Yeah. Oh, those are gloves. Yeah.
Come here. Well, you could try it. You stubborn little stinker. Come on. What is your... Did I scare you? I'm sorry, honey.
Upset him.
Yes. All right, you want to try it? Give it a try. See what that is, huh? See what that is. These little monsters are not as into it today. Here.
Well, they were on Mama right before we came in, so.
Okay.
Or a little bit.
You got full of it, didn't you?
Yeah.
And you got full of it. Yeah. And you're just sucking it off your brother.
Moana.
Yeah.
Look how chunky she is. She doesn't need any. You can't have it.
Oakley.
Yeah, you're like your daddy. That Oakley. He's like his daddy's sitting down to eat.
Yeah, I did. So you couldn't make a
Ooh.
big mess on it. And then you didn't have anywhere to go poop, huh? Try it. You might like it, you know. Yeah, see, I told you. You too. Actually, try it. There you go.
What's the fuchsia? She's just giving.
That's Libby.
She giving Oakley what for there? Oh, Moana's going to the bathroom.
Mercy is over. Is now. This is now.
Belle.
Belle. Yeah. Try it. Oh yeah. Oh, she loves it. Oh, her loves it.
Moana's she's gonna bully people here. Look at her.
Oh, her and Dolly.
Yeah.
Those two play a lot.
They sleep together too. You tell them, Libby. You're just full of it, aren't you? Yeah, I don't know who you get that from, because your mom and dad both don't.
No, neither one of them are
Neither
grumpy.
one of them are chatty. Especially your dad. Look at Rossi.
Yep.
He goes, it's time to play. Let's go. Come on, Libby.
There, we found it. Look. Now we found some more.
Oh, Moana's going number 2.
Is she really?
Yep.
She's gonna back it up into
Yep.
her.
Right in.
Don't poop on Amicus. He doesn't deserve that. You be nice to brother. You meanie head. You meanie head. Oh yeah, let's get you out of it. Okay, honey. Good job. Good job. Yeah, that's a puppy poop, that's for sure. All right. Those are gonna start firming up now that they're getting.
Oakley's shaking. That's not Oakley's over there. Which one is that?
That's Oakley.
Gray color?
Yep, that's go Oakley. He's got the puppy shakes.
Yeah.
Louis, look at his face. He says, "Let me clean you."
Yeah. Moana's going back. She wants to chew on the mid.
Come here, Duke. You need to try a little more. See what you think of that. What do you think? Huh?
He was kind of shaking a little bit.
Duke was?
Yeah, I think he got
Did he get enough for his
enough
body
for
weight?
His body weight.
Oh, he did get into it, didn't he?
Yeah.
And his arms are all wet. Okay. All right, little man. Sorry.
I think at this point they've all been green collar or baby blue, whatever that one.
It's Amicus.
Amethyst. He doesn't really.
No. Is that? Let me see his face. Who's this?
That's baby blue.
Okay, that's Cosmo. Sorry. Yep, that's Amicus. That's Cosmo. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah, you're gonna chew on my leg.
Which one's fuchsia? Vega?
No, I told you Libby.
Libby. Oh yeah, that's right.
She's so talkative.
Oh, she's just, yeah.
She's a hoot and a holler, isn't she?
She's gonna tell everybody what it is.
Hi,
even though it
precious.
isn't.
Hi, baby girl.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Libby.
We got a mess to clean up over here, don't we?
I'll call you Lippy, not Libby.
Picked up that sheet, and you guys have really done a number back there. Oh, yeah. Cosmo's got the baby shakes. This is normal. Their little bodies are just getting used to all that food. Okay. So we're going to pick it up. We're going to let Susie eat that. And they're going to run around and scream and yell and be mad for a bit. And then they're going to play. And then they're going to sleep.
After they clean each other.
Yeah.
Some of them.
You can bring Susie in.
Yep.
And probably the Swiffer so I can clean up. And will you throw me those pads too, please, so I can clean up this? Please and thank you. Appreciate you. Yes, I didn't hurt them, did I? Can you believe it? I didn't weigh them. I didn't take them to the doctor. I didn't leave you.
No. Daddy always takes them to the doctor. It's okay. Yes. Come on, get over here and eat this.
Hey, be nice to your babies.
Food is food. Puppies are alive. Come on, man.
Be gentle. Oh, you got the shiver shakes really good, don't you, little miss? That's Cobalt. Yeah. Yes. and Cosmo and Rossi and Vega. Oh, I love how I can see her stripes in the camera. And Dolly. And Belle. It's Belle. You are the belle of the ball, aren't you, Heidi? With all your puppy food all over your face. Yes. Yeah. And Duke. Hello, Duke. Hi, Moana. Yes, you're just talking. But lots of talking. Really? She's telling us all the stories. And Amicus? Yeah. And this is Libby. I can't see your collar. Yep, that's Libby. You quit being grumpy, didn't you? I just want to make sure that's loose enough. There we go. Good. You're getting to be a bigger moose every day. You like that? I saw that. I saw that. Her loves to get that scratch under her ear. Yeah, I saw Heidi. You gonna get warm up there, you think, Oakley? Yeah. All right, well, it's been a really long video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You have to see this. She just crawled up there herself. That was a big milestone. We just crawled up. Good job, Moana.